Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about elimination method and we solve some problems. Okay, now see. So elimination method. Now let us consider another method of eliminating, that is removing one variable. Okay, this is sometimes more convenient than the substitution method. Okay, so let us see how this method works. Okay, so here the examples, and the question is the ratio of income of 2% is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manage to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly incomes. Clear? That's mean here income of 2% is 9:7 and expenditure is 4:3. Okay, and each of them manage to save 2000 per month. So solution, let us denote the income of the 2% by 9x and 7x and their expenditure by 4y and 3y respectively. Then the equation from in the situation is given by 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 and 7x minus thrice y equal to 2000. Why 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y equal to 2000? Because if we subtract expenditure from the income, then remaining is saving money. Okay, that's why here both of them okay manage to save 2000 per year. That's why this is the income minus expenditure equal to savings. Clear? Now step 1, multiplying the equation 1, this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 to make the coefficient of y equal. Okay, if we first eliminate y, then the coefficient of y equal, if we multiply the equation 1 by 3 and the equation 2 by 4, then the both the coefficient of y are equal. Clear? So 9 into 3, that's mean 27x, minus 4 into 3, that's mean 12y, equal to 2000 into 3, so 6000. And for the second equation, 7 into 4, that's mean 28x, minus 3 into 4, that's mean minus 12y, equals to 2000 into 4, so 8000. Okay, now we subtract this, that's mean this is minus and this is plus. Clear? So minus 12y plus 12y cancel. Okay, and this is also minus. Here is 27y minus 28x, that's in minus x, equal to here 6000 minus 8000, so minus 2000, so x equal to 2000. Okay, so the value of x equal to 2000. Clear? So here steps to subtract the equation 3 from the equation 4 to eliminate y, because the coefficient of y are the same. So we get 28x minus 27x minus in bracket 12y minus 12y equal to 8000 minus 6000, so x equal to 2000. Clear? Now step 3, substituting this value of x in equation 1, we get, that's mean 9 into 2000, because equation is 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. So okay, so that's why 9 into 2000 minus 4 into y equal to 2000, so y equal to 4000. Clear? So the solution of the equation x equal to 2000 and y equal to 4000. Therefore the monthly income of the person are rupees 18,000 and 14,000 respectively. Clear? Now verification. So here x ratio y, that's mean 18,000 ratio 14,000, so that's mean 9 ratio 7. Okay, also the ratio of expenditure equal to 18,000 minus 2,000 ratio 14,000 minus 2,000, that's mean 16,000 ratio 12,000, so 4 ratio 3, which is satisfied, that's why verified. Okay, clear? Now remarks. The method used in solving the example above is called the elimination method because we eliminate one variable first to get a linear equation in one variable. In the example above, we eliminated y. We could also have eliminated x. Try doing it that way. Okay. Now 2. We could also have used the subtraction or graphical method, okay, to solve these problems. Try doing so and see which method are more convenient. Okay, try this using graphical method and substitution method. Clear? So now let us note down these steps in the elimination method. Okay, so here step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Read all of these steps. Okay, now we solve the exercise problems. Now question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. So first question is x plus y equal to 5 and twice x minus thrice y equal to 4. So at first we solve by elimination method. So equation is x plus y equal to 5 and twice x minus thrice y equal to 4. So multiplying the equation 1 by 2 we obtain, that's mean this into 2. Okay, and so twice x plus twice y equal to 10. Now subtracting equation 2 from the equation 3 we obtain, that's mean 2x minus thrice y minus twice x minus twice y equal to 4 minus 10. So plus twice x minus twice x cancel, so implies minus 5y equal to minus 6, so y equal to plus 6 divided by 5. So here we eliminate first x, that's why the coefficient of x is same, and after that we subtract the equation 2 from the equation 3. So here we get y equal to 6 by 5. Now substituting the value in the equation 1, that's mean we put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 5, so x equal to 5 minus y, that's mean 5 minus 6 by 5, so 19 by 5. So x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Clear? Now we solve this problem using substitution method. Okay, so from the equation 1 we obtain x equal to 5 minus y, so putting this value in equation 2 we obtain 2 into 5 minus y minus thrice y equal to 4, so minus 5y equal to minus 6y equal to 6 by 5. Okay, substituting the value in equation 5 we obtained x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5, so 19 by 5, therefore x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Clear? Now next question. Now next question, that's mean question number 2 is your homework. Now we solve question number 3. Okay, this question is your homework. Now we solve question number 3. So this is homework. So next is thrice x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 and 9x equal to twice y plus 7. Okay, now see the answer. So first we solve by elimination method. So thrice x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, and this is the equation 1, and next is 9x equal to twice y plus 7, so 9x minus twice y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation 2. So at first we eliminate x. So here the coefficient of x is 3 and equation 2 the coefficient of x is 9. So if we multiply the first equation by 3, then the coefficient of x of both the equation are same. Okay, that's why we multiply the equation 1 by 3. So multiply the equation 1 by 3, we obtain 9x minus 15y minus 12 equals to 0. This is the equation 3. So after that, subtracting equation 3 from the equation 2, we obtain 13y equal to minus 5, so y equal to minus 13 by 5. This is the equation 4. Clear? Now substituting in equation 1, that's mean now we put y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1. So thrice x minus 5y, that's mean minus 5 into minus 5 by 13, that's in plus 25 divided by 13 and minus 4 equals to 0. So thrice x equal to 27 divided by 13. So x equal to 27 divided by 13 into 1 by 3, that's mean 9 divided by 13. So x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Now we solve this problem by substitution method. Okay, so here we solve substitution method. So from the equation 1 we obtain x equal to 5y plus 4 divided by 3. This is the equation 5. Putting this value in equation 2, we obtain 9 into 5y plus 4 divided by 3 minus twice y minus 7 equals to 0. So 13 y equal to minus 5, so y equal to minus 5 by 13. Substituting the value in equation 5, we obtain x equal to 5y, that's in 5 into minus 5 by 13 plus 4 divided by 3, so x equal to 9 by 13. So therefore x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Clear? Now question number 4, x by 2 plus twice y divided by 3 equals to minus 1, and another is x minus y by 3 equals to 3. Now we solve this problem. Okay, so at first we solve by elimination method. So x by 2 plus twice y divided by 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, so after simplification, this is thrice x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is the equation 1, and x minus y by 3 equals to 3. So after simplification, thrice x minus y equals to 9. This is the equation 2. Okay, so now here the coefficient of x is same. So if we simply subtract the equation 2 from the equation 1, then simply x is eliminated. After that we will get the value of y. So subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1, we obtain, that's mean thrice x minus y minus thrice x minus of plus y, that's mean minus 4y equals to 9 minus of minus 6, that's mean plus 6. So here plus 3 6 minus 3 6 cancel, minus y minus 4y, that's mean minus 5y equal to 9 plus 6 15. So y equal to minus 15 divided by 5, so equal to minus 3. Clear? So y equal to minus 3. Substituting this value in equation 1, that's when we put y equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So 3 6 minus 4 plus 4 into y, so that's mean minus 12y equal to minus 6. So 3 6 equal to 6, so x equal to 2, that's mean x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Clear? Now we solve by substitution method. So from the equation 2 we obtain x equal to y plus 9 divided by 3. This is the equation 5. Putting this value in equation 1 we obtain, so 3 into y plus 9 divided by 3 plus 4y equal to minus 6. So after simplification 5y equal to minus 15, so y equal to minus 5. Substituting the value in equation 5, so we get x equal to minus 3 because y equal to minus 3 plus 9 divided by 3, so x equal to 2. Therefore the value is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Clear? Now students, there are 4 problems of question number 1. Okay, so all are complete, but question number 2, that's Roman number 2 is your homework, and the remaining problems we will solve in the next class. Okay, so thank you, bye.